In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a sales report in Zoho Books. To get started, open your Zoho Books account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is where you'll be able to access all of your financial tools, including reporting. If you manage more than one organization, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct one before continuing, since reports are generated based on the active organization you have open. Once you're inside Zoho Books, go to the Reports section. This area contains a wide range of financial and business reports, so if you're looking for sales data, this is the right place to begin. Click on Reports to open the full Reports menu and browse to the specific sales report you want to download. Depending on what you need, this could be a sales summary, sales by customer, sales by item, or another related report. The key here is to choose the exact report that matches the information you want to export. After opening the report, the next step is to set your filters carefully. Start by selecting the date range. This is important because your report will only include data from the period you choose, so make sure it reflects the time frame you need, whether that's a specific month, quarter, year, or a custom range. If your setup includes entities, you can also enter or select the relevant entity at this stage. This helps narrow the report so the downloaded file contains only the most relevant sales information. Once your filters are in place, click Run Report. This refreshes the report and displays the data based on the options you selected. Before exporting, take a quick look over the results on the screen to make sure everything appears correct. This small check can save time and help you avoid downloading the wrong report or the wrong date range. When you're ready, click Export. Zoho Books will then ask you to choose a file format. Select the format that works best for your needs, such as a spreadsheet format if you want to edit or analyze the data further, or another export type if you just need to share or archive it. After selecting the format, click it and then click Export again to complete the download. That's it. Your sales report will be downloaded and ready to use. If you frequently download the same report, it can help to remember the filter settings you used so the process is even faster next time.